What's up, guys? Martina here. I have my little model because we are trying the Pooch Care Reusable Male Dog Belly Band Diapers. That's a big long title. Sometimes when if I'm out for a long time, he won't make it all a day. So it's nice to have a little backup diaper just in case. Or if I bring him to someone else's house where he tends to mark if they have another dog, really nice to have that so he doesn't end up marking anything. So this little guy gets diapers once in a while. And I thought these looked like a really cute pattern. So let's take a look. We've got the eggs, pizzas, and one other. I don't know exactly what this one is. It's got like little, is that like sushis? I think it's sushi. So super cute. Let's give Teddy the pizza. It's just like a Velcro wraparound style. Obviously that's the bottom part, and it just wraps around. No kind of bum area. It's just a wrap, super easy. Oh, and it fits perfect, doesn't it? So here it is on him. He is ready for action. You're covered, no messes now. Great little diaper, yeah. Excited to have some reusable ones because you tend to run out and kind of an expense with the throw out ones. So awesome to have some reusable ones.